Welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make the Mumbai style potato sandwich or the masala sandwich, and my mouth is already watering. So let's not wait any further and let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making this amazing, delicious, famous Mumbai potato masala sandwich. And guys, if you do like my recipes, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon so you are first to get a notification every time I upload a new recipe, and it's free of course, so why wait, right? So now let's proceed. Okay guys, so for this recipe you're going to need 4 medium-sized potato which I've boiled and mashed, 3 tablespoons of fresh and boiled peas, 3 tablespoons of cilantro which is dhania, 8 to 10 curry leaves which is kadhi patta, half teaspoon of turmeric powder which is haldi powder, half teaspoon of rye which is mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera which is cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of oil and salt as per your taste, and of course you'll need few slices of bread, sandwich chutney and butter, and onion, capsicum and tomato slices. And for garnishing you're going to need a little bit more butter and save, and that is about it. And now let's begin our process. So guys, now in a big kadai I'm just going to add some oil, and we're going to wait till the time the oil becomes hot, and then we are going to add the mustard seeds which is rye, and once the mustard seeds start popping, then we're going to add the jeera which is cumin seeds, followed by the curry leaves which is kadhi patta, and some turmeric, and then we are going to immediately add the potato, mashed and boiled potato, and then let's just mix it all in. And now let's just add the boiled green peas along with some salt and mix that in as well. Now that the salt and the green peas are mixed in, let's add the dhania which is fresh cilantro and mix that in as well. Once mixed, let's just turn off the flame and remove it in a bowl and wait for it to come down to room temperature. So guys, our stuffing is now at room temperature. So now let's start preparing our sandwich. So for that, let's take 2 slices of bread and very generously apply some butter on both the slices. And now let's apply the chutney. And guys, if you want to know the recipe of the sandwich chutney, I've already uploaded the video, but just in case if you've missed it, do check it out. And all I've added in it is some spinach, cilantro which is dhania, garlic, green chilies, lime juice and bread. So do check it out, it's very delicious. And now let's land our potato stuffing in here and press it down. So guys, our potato stuffing is on the bread, and now it's time for us to add the veggies. But before we do that, let's make the sandwich masala. Now what is a sandwich masala? It's nothing but some chaat masala, black pepper powder, and a little bit, very little bit of salt, because chaat masala already has some salt. And now guys, let's mix it all in. Now guys, the chaat masala is very easily available in any of the grocery stores in Bombay. But if it's not available in the area that you're living in, you can simply make this. And now again back to our sandwich or our bread slices. So first let's land the onions and then sprinkle some sandwich masala, then the tomato, and again a little bit of the sandwich masala. Last but not least, let's add the capsicum and just a pinch, a small pinch of the sandwich masala. And now let's just close this up and press it down a little bit, very gently. So now guys, I'm using this hand toaster. This is what they use in Bombay, and I'm just warming it a little bit so I can apply a little butter to it. Make sure that you apply the butter even to the corners. If you don't have this hand toaster, guys, you can always use the electric one, but definitely this has its own charm. And now I've just landed our bread over here like this, and now I'm just simply going to close it and cook this till the time it becomes golden brown in color from all sides. So guys, keep turning your toaster in intervals. Beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous. So now let's just cut it. See how crispy it has become? Amazing. And now just let's apply a tad bit of butter and little bit of chutney, and let's just sprinkle it with some save, and our amazing Bombay style sandwich is ready. So you guys saw how easy it is to make this sandwich, and I can't wait any further, and I am taking a bite. I am on chapati, Mumbai chapati eating sandwiches. It's that good. Guys, do not miss this recipe out. It's simple but absolutely heavenly. Do give it a try, and don't forget to let me know what you think about it. Also guys, do click on the subscribe button over here right now. That is one way you can support me. And if you like my recipes, then you're definitely going to like this one as well as this one. So you do click on these links, and I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye-bye. I'm going to enjoy my sandwiches now.